Moving on to the next page, special people. There are some special people who need special care and love from our side. Clear? They need love and care, more love and more care. They are old, sick, needy, and differently abled people. Do you have grandparents at home? They might be old. So, are you looking after them? Are you obeying them? Giving them love? Sitting near them? Asking them about their health and all? If not, please do it. They are searching. They are searching something in their lives. What they are searching? They are searching your. They want their love actually. They want you to love them. Okay, they need extra care. When you people were small, or your papa was small, mama was small, they looked after them when they were young. Your parents were young or small, that time they looked after them. But it is the time to look after them now, because they have grown old. So please take care of them, and if they suffer from some disease, you have to look after them. Here, disease means sickness or illness. Only one you can write. Either you write sickness or illness. Only one has to be written. No need to write two meanings. At home, we should take special care of old people like our grandparents. Many cities have special old age homes, especially for the old people. Children, there are old age homes. The people who can't look after the old people at their homes, they send them to the old age homes. Or some old people who are not taken care of, they themselves go to the old age homes. Clear? Some people are poor and do not have enough money to eat healthy food or live in a comfortable house. We should be more kind to such people. We should be kind to such people because they don't have home. Some people in our society may be sick. They suffer from diseases like cancer, tuberculosis, leprosy, etc. They need special care and attention. So you have to pay more attention to these people. Don't make fun of them. Sometimes people are born with certain defects, or they may suffer from these defects due to injuries and accidents. But that does not mean that they are different from us. They are not different from us. They are special people who are called differently abled. We should encourage such people to help them. You have to help these kind of people. Defects means weaknesses, like if somebody is blind or lame or unable to hear. So don't make fun of them. You have to take care of them and encourage them. Dignity of labor, respect for work. Do you respect the community helpers that help you? Remember, no work is big or small. No work is big or small. Even people who do small odd jobs for us are important. We should always respect them. We must respect all kind of community helpers as they work very hard for us, and you should always be polite to them. Don't be rude to them. Clear? We should also thank them for helping us in many different ways. Okay? I think you have understood this chapter. With this, we finished the chapter. Children, read the chapter once again. Then we'll discuss the exercises in the class. Okay.